Hello and welcome back to Make Your Mind. This is a little bit of a different setup here. I'm actually doing a quick camera test just to see if this actually works, and it's not too shaky. It's not too bad. But this is a little bit of a POV perspective, I guess. This will be just on my personal Facebook account, and then most of my friends will see this. So this is just to give you some idea of what's going on. I have my morning's harvest. Look at these little honeys. I love these little honeys. They kick you in the face, but man, they do taste really good. And who knows, in the future I'll post a video on both my YouTube channel and the Facebook page showing me eating one or two of these in succession. I don't know, that's something I may do in the future. But this is just a little teaser to show what I do in order to make my homemade hot sauce that I've been enjoying and eating over the last couple of weeks. Start off with the base. I got the good old-fashioned apple cider vinegar with the mother. I know that with the capsaicin and the peppers, it does get rid of a little bit of the bacteria, but the bacteria is good for your gut. Then I have the good old-fashioned tomato paste. This adds a little bit of thickness to it while also giving it a little bit of a tangy flavor. This one's basil, garlic, and oregano. But regular tomato paste actually is a little bit better, but I want to use that up. I also have this. This is my go-to seasoning for it. It's made by Pit Boss and it's called Mango Magic. There we go. It has dried garlic, dried onion, and dried mango, so it gives a little tanginess, a little salt, and a little bit of sweet. It's a great balance. You can put this stuff on literally anything. And I'm not sponsored, by the way, but I would recommend anyone give this seasoning a try. It's very, very, very good. All right. Now, with this being the winter time, although if you look out the window, it doesn't seem like it, but it's all good. Here's what I add to my winter warmer seasonal hot sauce that I've been enjoying. I got a little bit of ground cinnamon and a little bit of a little nutmeg. These are fantastic. Of course, I get this from Publix, and this is McCormick. But these add a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of spice to it. And the only one ingredient that I do not have that I have used up already is actual mango nectar or mango juice. That stuff I will be going to the store and getting very soon, but I wanted to do this just as a sort of camera test. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky, but that's about as good as I can do right now. This is a little bit of a POV view of some more content that will be coming from the channel. I'd recommend everyone please go check out Make Your Mind on YouTube. I currently have 30 videos posted, and I have a really funny camera test caricature video that I put up that I've been thoroughly enjoying, and a lot of people have been watching and laughing at it. I'll leave a link to that down below. And it's been a lot of fun starting this. I've finally been able to turn part of my passion of this into something. I've been doing this for literally decades, and I'm glad that I'm able to share my skill and try to teach other people my skill as far as being able to do this, because this is so much fun. But with that, thank you all very much for watching. Go check out the Facebook page and also the YouTube channel. And this content is kid-friendly, by the way, so your kids can sit around and watch with you. I have no problems at all doing that. So once again, thank you for watching, and you stay tuned for some awesome content headed your way. Thank you.